What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tastemakers Palette, back at it again with another review. Hope that you are all well. Got a really good review for you today. Very unique item from a brand that is no stranger to this channel. As you all know, I'm a big fan of Needles, and I've done quite a few tracksuit reviews and some reviews that included some other garments. Really believe in the brand. They produce a quality product no matter what they do. I think they're very underrated. I am one who right now I think that when we think about tracksuits and things like that, aside from like true high luxury fashion, when we think about tracksuits, we think about tracksuits like Palm Angels or whatever the case may be, being one of the leaders in the streetwear luxury area. And I'm always willing to put a Palm Angels tracksuit, track pants, track jacket up against a Palm Angels jacket any day of the week, and think that they're just about equal. So really big fan of the brand. Really love the brand. Today, we're going into the summer, so today I have an item that, if it's not on your radar, I suggest you consider it. It may not be for everybody. It's definitely kind of something that will have to resonate with you from a style standpoint. So Needles, what they have something called Rebuild, and Rebuild is like their cut and sew line, and they do quite a few things under Rebuild, but the two major things that stand out are the flannels and the t-shirts. And so basically what they do is they'll take several different similar garments, cut them all up, and then put them back together in a cut and sew fashion, like a puzzle. And usually coming out with a really dope garment. There's a lot of different things that they do with it, like fading and distressing and all of that type of thing. So with us going into the summer, I wanted to review the Rebuild t-shirts and just the different genius ways they do things with the cut and sew and some of the details and features of those t-shirts. So the only thing that kills me is the size. I'm a bigger guy, and the XL t-shirts, they vary because they're cut and sew, and sometimes I buy them and they're too small. The two that I have just so happen, I got one that just fits, and I'm kind of trending downward in terms of weight loss, so I should be able to get into it and get more comfortable with it. But the other one, the one that I really like, I really can't fit right now. So I'm gonna store it up because it's so dope, and once I hit those weight loss goals, I'll be good to go. But let's take a look at both and just talk a little bit about them. So the first one I have, I'll go over my favorite first. Usually we save the best for last, but I've got this one kind of showing first. So again, Needles Rebuild, right? Let's talk a little bit about it. So what they'll do is they'll find typically champion t-shirts, but like sports t-shirts, like Russell Athletics, like old vintage t-shirts, and they'll cut them up and they'll piece them back together. So you see, these are a bunch of different t-shirts cut and sew back together. But the main t-shirt, the reason I got this one, I don't know if this is rare, but this is a dope find. This is actually a LeBron James Cavaliers t-shirt. And I don't know if this was like a champion tee or a Russell Athletics tee or what kind of tee, but I had to get this, man. 23 LeBron James. And so as you'll see, the center consists of a shirt, and then there's another shirt that the body consists of, and another one that broadens out the body a little bit, and then you have the last part, which is like this navy blue tee, and on the other end is like totally different color, totally different t-shirts. So it just really dope. All of the contrasting colors. You can tell they're vintage t-shirts because there's a little bit of wash to them. At the bottom, this is my favorite part of it, the hemming. Some of the hemming drops a little bit further than some of the others. Like it's an uneven hem throughout the whole tee, and I like that. That definitely adds flavor to the t-shirt. Let me go ahead and try this on and show you what I mean. Guys, this does not fit. The sleeves fit a bit small, and there's a little bit of room that I need to get in the body, but I'll just give you an idea. All my t-shirts that I get are size XL, so this one is an XL. Let's take a look and see what the fit looks like. But really, really love the aesthetic of these tees and the idea of these tees. Just very, very unique. Needles was the first brand that I saw really doing it in a super artistic way. But you know, I've seen other brands have done this with the cut and sew. I saw Market Clothing, like formerly known as Chinatown Market, doing it, and I mean, you know, it was a good attempt, but Needles executes on it a whole lot better. So this is what we got, guys. So it fits okay in the body, but these arms of mine, they don't stand a chance in the shirt. So I'm gonna have to give it, you know, if I drop another 10, 15, it'll be perfect. And then if I drop even more, then it would be be even more comfortable. But this is what it looks like here. Cut and sew LeBron James tee. So really, really like it. I could actually wear it now if I wanted to, you know. It's, you know, but I prefer a little bit more room in this particular style of t-shirt because of the way that the hem falls and everything. You know, a little bit more room would make me feel a little bit better. But here's the second cut and sew. I picked this one up from a international company called Soulbox, and I picked it up because the price was so low. The price was listed in pounds, and it was like $34.81 in pounds, which came out to be like $50 or something like that. And these shirts, they typically retail for like $125, but you can catch them on sale. Typically, you catch them on sale about $80, $100. This one is an Indiana Hoosiers, Indiana University cut and sew. And as you can see like the designs from the other t-shirts kind of cutting there and overlapping, and you know, just it looks like it's an error almost, but you know, that to me adds to the shirt. Then there's a little bit of design in the back of it and something to sew. So this one was a Hanes, so you can see, you look at the tag on the inside, and it was Hanes. And then you see Needles Rebuild, they branded over the Hanes tee. So, but yeah, nevertheless, this was originally 110 euros, and I got it for the 34. 7 Cuts College tee by Needles Rebuild. But yeah, just dope. You know, you get the university graphic on the front, faded, and then you get these colors, the red, the blue, the gray, the white. I mean, it's just a very, very unique style tee, something different to do. Throw it on with some shorts, throw it on with some joggers, and, you know, have a different kind of look. And if you're lucky enough, you can get a logo that you really like, something nostalgic, something current, and just have a different way to, you know, to rock that team or whatever have you. So, but yeah, had to bring this to you. The cut and sew is immaculate, great work. Needles does it every time, very precise, bringing quality to the game. So let me know what you think about these. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you pick one of these up. One thing that I will tell you is, again, be aware of the size. I'd say an XL, you know, fits kind of like a large, fits something like a large, or fits like a small XL. So if you keep that rule of thumb in mind, you'll be good to go. And same thing with the sizes below, just slightly on the smaller side. So, but again, thanks for watching this review, guys. Hopefully you got something out of it. Stay tuned, got more to come. I'll leave some links in the description as to where I got these. I'll leave the link to Soulbox, so that if you're interested in getting the discounted one, you can pick that one up from Soulbox. You'll have to pay shipping and potentially, I didn't have to pay conversion fee or anything like that, or what do you call that? Duty taxes, not duty taxes, the shipping from overseas tax. I didn't have to pay that, so you should be good to go there. This LeBron James one I got from Ukes. I paid $100 for it, and because it was LeBron James, I went ahead and just bought it. They usually retail at $125. It's still 25 off. I wouldn't have normally paid $100 for it, but because it was LeBron, I went off. I went off on a limb and did it. So, but I'll leave both links in the description. Another thing about these is sometimes you'll buy them and it's just kind of luck of the draw as to what you'll get, because there's so many different ones that in an Excel they don't mass produce the same tee. Each one is unique. So sometimes you'll just say you want to cut and sew in size XL and you won't even know what you're getting. It'll be kind of like a mystery type thing. Sometimes they do have different pictures for the different t-shirts that are in stock, depending on where you buy it from. So again, I'll leave a few links in the description. Just kind of comb through them if you're interested and see if you can get just what you're looking for. Thanks again for watching today's review. Tastemakers Palette, we out. Peace.